precursor for what's to come. I'm really, really excited. Wow. Just wow. It's not the biggest deer I've seen all year, but it's definitely the closest. I could have shot it, but he seemed a little bit young. And I know I haven't shot a buck yet, but I don't know. I kind of enjoyed watching him. And also, it kind of would have been a pain to shoot through all that brush. But anyways, yeah, beautiful 3.5-year-old 8-point here in Tennessee during the rut. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. So hopefully we see some more action. I know I heard some commotion going on over behind me, but it turned out it was just this buck chasing these does. I don't think I rattled him in or anything, but it's still just so cool to experience, and I'm glad I got to get that on film. So hopefully a bigger one comes in and he gives me a shot. Well, what another awesome experience. My first day here, and I have seen so many bucks. I saw 2 bucks up on by the field, and then another one just now came right in front of me. Could have shot him, but He's a young guy, probably no more than 2 years old. He had a pretty big body on him, but I'm pretty sure he wasn't that old. And I'm just excited. I'm just grateful to see these deer, and I'm grateful to share them with you guys. So, yeah. It is 8 o'clock, so I'm expecting things to start dying down just a little bit. But once midday starts, things should kick back on. I'm going to try and stay in here as long as possible. It is really, really cold, but again, I'm just going to try and stick it out as long as I can. And then once we're done with that, we'll prepare for the afternoon hunt. And I think I'm going to go and sit at a stand up that way, up the hill towards the field. And hopefully I'll see something for you guys this afternoon. Alright everybody, it is a little bit after 12 o'clock, and I went ahead and moved to my afternoon stand location. We're going to stay here until sunset. This is where I saw the other bucks earlier this morning, so hopefully they'll come back, or some different ones will come back, and we'll get a shot. It is day 2 here in Tennessee. Pretty slow morning. I decided to sit here because I saw some bucks in here yesterday, so I was hoping that maybe I'd get some more action over here, maybe get a solid shot on a nice buck. But so far it's been really slow. But I just saw a young buck chase a doe across the field, so it's a really, really good sign. Well guys, pretty slow morning compared to yesterday, but we still got to see a nice buck chasing, so really fun morning, but it's nearing the end, and I'm thinking that I'm going to be done for this trip. I don't think I'm going to hunt the afternoon. I think the pressure has totally just spooked these deer all over the place, not even just our property, but just all over the place. It's opening rifle season, so I think the best bet is just to let the property sit, and hopefully the deer will come back and we'll get to hunt again here in a week or so. So yeah, had a fun time, and I will see you guys next time.